Hi everyone, welcome to Data Solver. My name is Taiwo. Our topic today, as shown on the screen, Excel file Merger Pro app. Merge Excel from folder beyond 1,048,576 rows. This Excel file Merger Pro is the advanced version of our tool that allow only maximum row of 1,048,576. The Pro version has no limit. In this tutorial, I have packaged the code into a stand-alone application that performs the merge with just one click of a button. Simply download, open and use it. It is completely free, especially created for Data Solver subscriber, and it is designed to make your daily spreadsheet tasks faster, more accurate, and free from hassle of manually copying data from multiple Excel files. I'm going to go to the next slide to show you what we need to cover today. As you can see, our topic for the day is Introduction to Excel File Merger Pro Apps, which already discussed a few seconds ago. EFM App Pro version 32-bit and 64-bit. I'm going to add a link to the description section you can download. EFM App Pro Demo Big Data 1.5 million. I'm going to show you the demonstration using 1.5 million record. EFM App Pro requirement: for you to use this application, you need Microsoft Access or you need Microsoft Runtime, which is free from Microsoft download page, and the application is free as well, so you are good to go. EFM Apps Pro is capable of merging more than 2 million records, even 5 million. It depends on the capacity of your computer and the memory size of your computer. So the next slide I'm just going to give you, should in case after you download the application you run into macro error message. If you encounter a macro error message, right mouse click EFM Pro app, click property. From the open property window, go to the bottom right of the property, tick on lock box, click apply, click OK. As you can see from the bottom page of this right hand side of this screen, this is what you need. You just click on click and apply, then you can use the application. So let us demonstrate how to use the application. Let us show you our folder where we have our big data. We have this big data, 100,000 in each. We have 15 months, which is about equates to 1.5 million. Let me show you the first one. Month 1 comprised of some 1. In the num list, we have 10 columns. This is the first one. We have 100,000. As you can see, this is 100,000. I'm going to close this, and this is the month 15, starting from 1,400,001 to the last record of 1.5 million, 1,500,000. As you can see, I'm going to close it. So now I'll go back to our application. I'm going to load our Merge apps. It's loading, so let's load our Merge app. Does it load successfully? So all we need to do is just to click the button, and we navigate to our big data, because I used it some few minutes ago. So that's what we have. It's already on our big data. I'll just click, then the magic of merging commence. And the good thing about this application is going to tell you when the application finish. So let's wait. The merging is in progress. As I said, the merging in progress. We are now in month 14, going to month 15. Everything is going to complete. So that's the last merging. It's compiling everything together so that we can see, and it's going to tell us. That's the good thing about this application. Total duration. As I said, for you to be able to merge 1.5 million record in less than 3 minutes, that's extremely fast. You can see 2 minutes 8 seconds. That's powerful application. Let's go to our data. This is our data. I'm going to load it so that to see our data is still loading, because it's a very huge data set, so it can take a while. As you can see, our data successfully loaded. So this is the starting of the column. Check the column where we have before. It's 10 column count. As you can see, starting from 1. Remember, we expect 1.5 million. This is 1 million. And then tab 2, We move forward to from 1,000,001 to the last one, which is going to be 1.5 million. As you can see, that's it. This is exceptionally good application. It's working. You can make use of it. Imagine you have different folder here and there, and as far as the data type and the column is the same thing, you can use it. So sky is limit. Unleash your potential. Come for more tutorial. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay blessed.